Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vela for anybody that is new, and if you are, welcome to my channel. And today I'm going to be doing a makeup look inspired for the prom season. I can't even believe prom is here. I don't know exactly everybody's prom dates, but prom season is here. And that's crazy. I've been out of school for out of high school for almost 10 years, so y'all. I will link my prom picture somewhere on the screen over here so you guys can see what I looked like for prom. I didn't really wear too much makeup in high school, so I had my youth pastor's wife at the time, or my youth pastor at the time, his wife. I had her do my makeup for me because I had no idea what I was doing. And I really had a lot of fun at prom. I didn't go with anybody but my friends, and we just danced, had fun, and then I went home and went to sleep. So that was my prom experience, and I enjoyed every minute of it. So I hope you guys, if you are going to prom, that you have a great time. It's one of the best moments and best memories of high school for me. But let me stop blabbing on over here. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you have not done so already, and join the team, the squad, my family, YouTube fam. Come join it. So anywho, if you are not aware, we have a giveaway going on right now. I will list all the details down below, and once we reach 500 subscribers, that giveaway will be going on. So without further ado, now that I've talked your ears off, let's go ahead and get started. Who's excited about today's makeup look? Because I am. Okay, so I started off by priming my face with my primer, did my brows, and primed my eyes off camera as always. So we can jump straight into the look, going in with the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe Brushes palette. I'll be taking the shade Silk Cream for our transition shade and blending that out all in the transition area. Then going in with Dreamsicle, which I know, hang on, it does look a little creepy. Actually, I'm sorry, this is Creamsicle, not Dreamsicle. I'm going to put this in the crease area as well, and I know it looks a little weird right now putting an orange shade in there, but trust me, you're not going to even be able to see it at the end of this look, so just stick with me. Then I'm going to go into my BH Cosmetics Take Me to a Brazil palette and go in with that purple shade and stick that right in the crease right below the Creamsicle shade and blend that up into Creamsicle. And I'm going to build that shade up and just really work it into the crease, blending it back and forth, going in windshield wiper motions and circular motions back and forth. Then going back into the Jaclyn Hill palette, I'll be taking the shade Soda Pop and putting that right in the crease right below that purple shade just to deepen up the crease and blend that into that purple shade, like I said, just to add dimension in there. Then I'm going to go back with my blending brush and blend out those edges and make sure everything looks nice and seamless. Then I'll be taking my NYX glitter glue and going in with the Fenty Galaxy palette, I believe, and taking the shades Meteor Crush and Sunburst on my finger and placing those shades right on top of that glitter glue. And trust me, you will need that glitter glue, because if you don't use the glitter glue, those shades will come right off instantly. Trust me, I learned this from experience. Then I'm going to go back in with that brush just to deepen up the crease and make sure we didn't lose any of that purple shade. And then I'll be taking my Sephora eye pencil eyeliner and using that to tightline my waterline. And then going back in with the Soda Pop shade, I'll be using that to tightline my lower lash line. And I'll blend it out with this nice little lighter purple shade in the BH Cosmetics palette. And that is all for the eyes. I did do my eyeliner and mascara off camera. And moving on to the highlight, we are getting ready to shine bright for prom. We're going to be the stars for prom. I'm telling you, we're going to glow all night. we're going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Amrezy highlighter. And I'm going to add an extra little water to my brush. I use the Clinique spray for this. And I add it to my brush just to make my highlight pop 10 times more. And I'm going to highlight my cheekbones, the tip of my nose, the bridge of my nose, my inner corners of my eyes, the brow bone, my cupid's bow, and the center of my chin. And this highlighter had me feeling extra sassy. I had to stop for a little dance break because I was feeling this highlight. Yes, Amrezy girl, get it. Then I had to go back in with my sponge just to make it pop even more because you gotta glow for prom. Then going in with my Marc Jacobs lip gloss in Sugar Sugar and my Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in Pure Hollywood. I'm going to put the liquid lipstick on first, of course, and then go in with the lip gloss on top. And then I'm literally going to bathe in the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray just to make sure this makeup does not move all night, because you want your makeup to be looking flawless all night long for prom. And then I'll take my beauty sponge and just tap that over my over my face to help that sink into my skin and make sure everything is nice and flawless. And this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and make sure you stay tuned towards the end for some special messages to all my prom goers. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.
So you're aware I don't go around giving my thing up.